Yes, students. So you all of you try to create this program, and after this program you write this program and create yourself. And this program is write a program in Python to check that entered number is even or odd. So all of you try to create that program and execute it, and also you WhatsApp me. Clear? Now the next statement and next is nested if else statement. What? Nested if else statement. So the nested if else statements allow you to check for multiple test expression and execute different codes for more than two conditions. So according to that definition, I think you all understood that what is the nested. It means if you have more than one condition, and according to that condition you want to execute different output, so you can use nested if else statement. So with the help of this flowchart you can understood. Look at here. If we have a test expression, so whether it is true or whether it is false. So if it is true, so then if you want to check another condition, so you can put the again true statement, means now the next condition may be true or false. So it have also some statement for the true purpose and for false. If the condition become false in a first step, so then the false statement will be executed. So this is called the nested if else statement. See its syntax. The syntax of nested if else is, you can see, if then condition, and after colon you will write the statements which you want. If you have another condition, so then again you can put else if. Else if means that is the another condition you can put there. So when it is true, so then you can execute a statement, and more than one else if, and after the condition you can put the statement. Clear? According to your program. And at the last you put the else statement, and after this statement will execute something which you want. So now you understood this nested if else statement with help of syntax. Now you see the example. According to this program, you see there I am taking some input from the user. So there is a message, enter a number, and that number is float type. So that's why I written there here float, and input. Why I written there input? Because I want to take input from the user, and which message the user will be get, message will be get user enter a number. When user see this message, so he or she will be input something, and that number will be assigned into the num variable, and after the num will be get some value, so the next statement will be executed, and there I put the condition कि num is greater equivalent 0, that condition I want to check. And next, if num is equivalent 0, so that condition, that program, that statement will be executed 0. Means if the number is greater or equal 0, or if the number is equivalent 0, so then I want to execute 0. If the number is not greater than 0 or number is not equivalent 0, so then what happened? The else statement will be executed, means positive number, that statement will be executed. If my first statement will be become false, so then directly my program will be execute the else statement, and there you can see what is written, negative number. So that statement will be executed. For example, user input 10. So what happened? 10 is greater equivalent 0? Yes, it is true. And then the next condition will be checked. 10 is equivalent 0? Not. That condition will be false. So that statement will be executed. What? Positive number. Clear to you? If we input -9, so -9 is greater or equivalent 0? Not. So that statement will be false. So our program directly come over there, and the negative number statement will be executed. So this is the our program, and you try to create that program into your system and get the output, and according to the output, clear, you change the number. You try to change different number, clear, and you input the different number into your program, and you will get different output. So you try to input positive number, negative number, or 0, and write the output according to your input. So I think you all understood that statement. This is the nested if else. So its syntax is important. So first you note down the definition of nested if else statement and its flow diagram, and after this you will note what syntax and write its example. And also you try to create that program, write Python program to find out largest of 3 numbers. So you try to create that program. Okay students, thank you. Jai Gurudev.